Palmer Amaranth is a weed that poses a threat to agricultural and residential properties alike. This broadleaf weed grows and spreads rapidly with its prolific seed production, choking out desired plants and potentially reducing crop yields. In this video, we'll show you how to identify Palmer Amaranth, how to control it on your property, and how to prevent it from growing back. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Alternate names for Palmer Amaranth include Palmer pigweed and careless weed. Palmer Amaranth is an annual broadleaf weed that can reach heights of up to 8 feet, sometimes 10 if left uncontrolled. After germinating, this plant is known to grow about 2 inches per day. This plant has smooth, hairless stems, and its leaves grow along the stems in an alternating arrangement. The leaves are ovular with pointed, diamond-shaped tips, with petioles that may be longer than the leaves themselves. When this plant flowers, the flowering heads grow green, spike-like inflorescences that can reach up to 3 feet in length. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Palmer Amaranth prefers to grow just in hot, sunny areas with disturbed soil. Common sites include lawns, roadsides, railways, construction sites, and land used for agricultural purposes. Palmer Amaranth germinates from April to September and will produce flowers from July to November. Try to spot plants and take note of where they are so you can control them before flowers and seeds are made. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To get rid of Palmer Amaranth already established on your property, apply post-emergent herbicides to kill weeds before they can reproduce. If you're situated in the southern United States with warm season grasses, we recommend Celsius WG Herbicide. This herbicide offers the selective control of weeds in warm season turf. For other areas of the United States, the best form of control will be prevention. For spot applications with Celsius, mix 0.057 to 0.113 ounces or 1.6 to 3.2 grams of the product into 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. To enhance this product's efficacy, mix in a surfactant like Nanotek. Nanotek is a non-herbicide product designed to improve the adhesion and penetration of pesticides onto treated surfaces. Add 1 fluid ounce of Nanotek per 1 gallon of solution you've made. With your solution, spot treat any weed you've found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. If weeds are showing signs of recovery, make a second application 2 to 4 weeks after the first treatment. Applications are most effective when the plant is young and actively growing before the plant is ready to reproduce. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. To prevent new weeds from germinating, apply a pre-emergent herbicide like Barricade. Barricade Granular Pre-Emergent Herbicide will form a chemical barrier in your soil that will prevent weed seeds from sprouting and emerging. Depending on your turfgrass species, you'll apply 1.5 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. After application, water in the product with at least ½ an inch of water. Make an application in the fall to stop seeds from germinating in spring. An additional application may be made after 6 months for year-round weed prevention. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can get rid of Palmer Amaranth on your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your product today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.